Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Let us continue with the 43rd shloka of second chapter. Kamatmana Swargapara Janma Karma Phala Pradam Kamatmana Swargapara Janma Karma Phala Pradam Kriya Vishesha Bahulam Bhogaishwarya Gatim Prati Kriya Vishesha Bahulam Bhogaishwarya Gatim Prati Now all together, twice. Kamatmana Swargapara Janma Karma Phala Pradam Kriya Vishesha Bahulam Bhogaishwarya Gatim Prati Kamatmana Swargapara Janma Karma Phala Pradam Kriya Vishesha Bahulam Now let us contemplate this shloka. Jayati Parashara Sunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayam Amritam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya Namo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharya Trayamasraye. Respected Guruji, all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculty. Now we are in a very beautiful situation where Krishna is turning to the karma. From the shloka number 40, Na iha avikramanashaha asti pratyavayo na vidyate. From there, Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato vayat. So from there he is giving the knowledge after Sankhya. So here Krishna is trying to bring the clarity about this karma itself. In the name of spirituality, many karmas are done which is mere materialistic. It is completely towards only materialism. So it is not going to fetch you any spiritual progress there. That is what Krishna is trying to say. That's what Vyavasayatmaka buddhihi ekeha. It is only one. Nishchayatmaka buddhi. So, Bahushakahi anantascha buddhayo avyavasayinam. It is like branches and further branches of the tree. How this avidya or anishchayatmaka buddhi. Buddhayo avyavasayinam. So, therefore, here he says, those words, whatever we see in the Vedic wisdom, they are all like Pushpitam Vacham. The Pandits only, so-called Pandits only, they say that there are Vedavadarata, who are three types of Vedavadaratas are there. One who says that, oh, there is nothing much in that, just by heart all the Vedas and do Parayana, you will get Punya, that's all. That is only one type of Vedavadarata. And second type of Vedavadaratas, they are saying that there is no meaning for the Vedic wisdom only. Simply you have to chant. You will get Swarga and you will get Kamya Karma. So the third variety of Vedavadarata is they are going to interpret according to their whims and fancies. That is their own way of interpretation, which may not be correct as per the Vedic wisdom. They don't go into the depth. They are all called as Vedavadarata of Partha. So Arjuna is being convinced there. Vedavadaratas are all of the types. So usually most of us, we don't know the meanings of the Veda mantra. Simply we will chant. That's it. We'll get punya by chanting, by doing Chandachandika or Durga Saptasati or Rudriya, Shatarudriya, whatever it is. We are chanting just, but not contemplating. There is no chance for us to contemplate. We are chanting like a parrot. तोते की तरह रटो बस, then you perform, you will get award, reward, and you will get swarga. That is what is mentioned here. Kamatmanaha swargaparaha janma karma phala pradam kriya vishesha bahulam bhogaishwarya gatim prati. So this is how bhogaishwarya, bhoga aishwarya, just for the sake of bhoga and aishwarya we do kamya karma. Kamatmanaha. So what is your kamya karma? What is the purpose of doing all this kamya karma? We in sankalpa only we start all our chaturvida bala purushartha siddhyartham, ishta kamyartha siddhyartham. So we give specific reasons for doing that karma and we want that. After attaining that, after you get rewarded with that, then you go to the higher worlds and enjoy there. After your karma or punya gets extinguished, then you will come back again. Again you will start doing karma. This is what is Vedavadarata. That is what is Kamatmana. Krishna is telling here, Kamatmanaha Swargapara Janma Karma Phalapradam. Janma Karma, throughout the Janma. They come and go, they come and go, they do karma. For what? To attain Swarga. Swarga is not our goal. Swarga is very near. Why do we desire for Swarga? Swarga is also not. Because Krishna says further in other chapters, Brahma Bhuvana Lokaha Punaravartino Arjuna. Then Swarga is nothing. Even if you go to Swarga, you have to come back. Even if you go to Brahma Loka, he says you have to return. Punaravartino Arjuna. Mamupeti Kaunteya. Punarjanmana Vidyate. Reach me. Your goal must be to reach me. Then you will never go back again. Anything lesser than that, you have to come back and go. That is why Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. Kriya Vishesha. Oh, you are going to do special events like any yaga, big yaga, which is not done. Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. What for that purpose? Bhoga Ishwarya Gatim Prati. Our intention is to Bhoga and Aishwarya. For that only. That is not the purpose of karma. Krishna says here. The real karma is Vyavasayatmaka Buddhi. So you have to have that Nishchayatmaka Buddhi and you have to come out of that Vedavadarata categories and go to the real exalted meaning of the Vedic wisdom. Vedic wisdom has meaning. It has Trayortaha Sarva Vedeshu. Please, it is told in Mahabharata. Trayortaha Sarva Vedeshu. Dashartaha Sarva Bharate. Vishnu Sahasranamapi Nirantara Shatartakam. Wow, beautiful way. It is told that there are 3 levels of understanding. Forget, we are not even knowing 1 level of meaning only. Trayortaha Sarva Vedeshu. And 10 meanings are there for each and every shloka of Mahabharata. 1 lakh verses. And Vishnu Sahasranama, which is special in Mahabharata, it has Vishwam, Vishnu, 100 meanings for Vishwam. Then 100 meanings for Vishnu. Like that, all the Sahasranama meanings are Nirantara Shatartakam. We need to dwell into that. That is the real purpose what Krishna is telling here. So let us contemplate. The further also the shloka comes Bhogaishwarya Prasakta. So we are really deprived of the real purpose. So we shouldn't. So that is the warning here given by the Krishna. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.